Hi guys, today I'm gonna give the review of this complete interview preparation course with Doubt Assistance. So, which is in Jigs for Jigs platform. And firstly, I'm giving the disclaimer that I'm not promoting this course. I'm just recommending it. This is based on my experience. So, this was the course. So, let us go into the course track. So here you can learn the languages, programming languages like C++ and Java. See here. So here are some topics of C++. So let us go into one track. So here are some videos. So if you go through the one video like this, so here it is the code. You can practice in this platform, like it will appears like this. So you can write your code and practice here. And after completing of this section you can do some problems on that. So here are some problems. You can improve your efficiency and improve your logical skills as well. So coming to this programming courses, so C++ and Java are there. And next, data structures basics. So here are some topics of data structures. And then libraries of C++ and Java. So after that, data structures advanced. So the main difference, basic and advanced is like they have added some more topics here like backtracking, dynamic programming, and these kind of stuff. And after completing of every video you can practice there, so it will boost your confidence. And after you have done the practice, then I recommend you to participate in contests on topic wise like Java ops and sorting. So you can participate here, and after mastering the subject you can participate individual topics. So you can explore more here, and then you can get some rankings where you stand. And after that, the main difference is doubt assistance. Having this option, you can ask this doubt as well. So without doubt assistance you do not get to ask the doubts. And here are some so I have discussed about up to advanced. And now get into this object oriented design. Here are some topics here to be taught. And then next is computer subjects, so which is four subjects as well. Strongly they are eight subjects, I hope. And aptitude, it is a basic subject for placement. So here you can practice after completing the videos and participate in contests. So you will be get more confidence, and you can crack the interview as well. And after doing this course, and you will get the certificate as well if your score is more than 1000 and content score is more than 15,000. There is a criteria to get the certificate. And after completing of this course you will be get hired in this portal as well if you are if your knowledge is sufficient enough, then only. And they are offering a decent packages as well. So you can apply here, and you can get the job as well. So these are some more additional features they are giving. And problem of the day. And so you can enjoy here while doing this course. See, as many options tabs are there. So, and then I have they have offered a two free test series as well if you purchase this course. So for this you have to contact, if you I'm recommending you to contact them so for discounts as well, and use some coupons to get more discount to save your money. And these are the test series if you see the track. So if you are preparing for get placed in Amazon and Microsoft, and this is the good option for you to practice here. So see here, these are the these are the theory. They will give the theory, and they will give the problems and you can master it here. See, they have asked in Amazon, so mostly asked questions they have provided you, so you will be get uh, thinking ability, you will be improving your thinking ability if you think. So these are the tracks, so practice series and mock series you can see, and you can see your rank as well. So if you want to ask some doubts you can ask here, and you can so leaderboard where you stand for, and some more contests as well you can see here. So it was a great opportunity to have this course. So if you want to enroll it, so enroll. So thank you guys, I hope I have cleared your doubts. So thank you.